guys? So welcome to my channel. So today we did solve this 1528 shuffle string. So this is probably should easy, right? Should be very easy. So given string s and integer indices for the same length, and this s should be shuffled such that the character at the i's positions move to index I in the shuffle string. So right, this s, right, and this is the number. This is number. So basically we should we should create a dictionary, right? This dictionary should tell us that 0 to L and 2 to E, 1 to E, and 3 to T. And once we create this dictionary, then we just start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and collected all the number back. Okay. Oh, sorry. All the alphabet. Okay. So I create an empty dictionary. Then for the range, so basically this is the number of the word we have. Then we create a dictionary. So dictionary collect the indices, right? Map to the words. So indices I will map to Si. Right? I start from 0, so S0 is this C, right? Indices 0 is 4, right? So 4 map to C, 5 map to O, 6 map to D. So this is the dictionary. And then for each dictionary, right, we start from 0 to the number of indices, and we create this answer. So answer just plus or minus plus this. Start from 0 and then up to 7, right? Plus the word it map it to. So return the answer. Okay, that's it. Okay. I will see you guys in other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.